Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix that I cannot adjust brightness in Windows 11. Chapter 1. Set brightness with slider bar Windows 11. To start, you can click on the volume icon on the taskbar. This will open the quick settings. There, slide the bar to increase or decrease the brightness. Alternatively, you can click on the Start menu, then click on Settings and there go to System. Under Display, you can use the slider to set the brightness. Chapter 2. Set brightness from Settings Windows 11. To get started, click on the Start menu, then click Settings and then Display. Now click on the Brightness section. In Change the brightness depending on the content, you can choose one of the available options. Chapter 3. Set brightness updating Windows 11 driver. To start, we right-click on the Start menu. In the displayed list, click on Device Manager. Now you are going to go to the Display Adapter section. There you will right-click on the driver and select the Update Driver option. Now click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for this process to finish. Chapter 4. Set brightness using generic driver Windows 11. To start, we right-click on the Start menu. In the displayed list, click on Device Manager. Now you are going to go to the Display Adapter section. There you will right-click on the driver and select the Update Driver option. There, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then you will click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. In this new window, click on the Microsoft Basic Display Adapter option. You will accept the change and you will see that the screen changes its configuration. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. To restore the normal screen size and use the brightness, reboot the system. Chapter 5. Set brightness enabling generic monitor Windows 11. To start, we right-click on the Start menu. In the displayed list, click on Device Manager. Now you are going to go to the Monitors section. There you are going to right-click on the controller and select the Disable Device option. You must confirm this process. After this, you will go to the Action menu. There, click on Scan for hardware changes. You will wait for this process to finish. Finally, right-click on the monitor driver and select the Enable Device option. Chapter 6. Fix lower brightness using terminal Windows 11. To begin, you are going to open the terminal as administrator from the Start menu. There you will run the sfc scannow command to analyze the Windows file system. Wait for the process to finish. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.